Hi, my name's Terry Thayer, and I teach people how to become successful and confident home builders. My life prior to joining the AA program, as far as coaching goes, was complete chaos. Nothing was organized, there was no structure, there was no system. And now I've been able to put systems and processes in place and simplify this whole thing and really give a better experience for my clients. I think the biggest difference for me is consistency, being able to know how to generate leads and be able to close them and really deliver the product at a high level for my clients to be able to be successful on their side. Financially, we've been able to generate over $100,000 in income in just the last couple of months. We've only joined a few months ago, so that's pretty big. And also starting to really see results for my clients because of the way that we're delivering our course the way we've been taught through AA. If you're considering joining the AA program, highly recommend it. I've been a part of many different mentorships and programs and courses and all that. I've literally probably spent over $500,000 in my lifetime on different things like this. And I've never seen something so structured, so laid out, so well delivered, and so much like support given to us as the clients, the students of the program to be able to deliver what we're looking to do at a high level. So highly recommend the product.